Time to open up another oddball pack. These are cool. 1986 Topps baseball tattoos. 18 tattoos in a pack. Pete Rose right on the wrapper. One stick of bubble gum. No way. There's bubble gum. See if it ruined it. Ooh, somebody bit the dust on that one. Let's see what got hit with the gum. Looks like maybe two. So we got Darrell Evans, Johnny Ray, Bull Durham, Mike Davis, Harold Baines, Hall of Famer, got taken out by the gum. Cal Ripken, sweet. Glenn Hubbard. And Ted Simmons, Hall of Famer. Like that Ripken, that's cool. Ripken tattoo from the 80s. Very cool. 1986 Topps baseball tattoos. Nice.